Okay. So there it is, 1985 BMW E28. Literally just removed off a barn upon a secret location in somewhere in South Wales. It's a 2.5 litre M30, big sixes. Yeah, new project. Never worked on these. Really like the E30s. Never really worked on an E28. All the funny quirks, like for some reason this oil has a tube into the dipstick. Interesting. Just keeping up to date with the process, I assume. Make it a nice, reliable would be the word, wouldn't it? Yeah. Street car. See how it goes. Ah, they match the openings of the boot and the bonnet. This has a feeling of a skater video.